In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove timing in Canva. Whether you're creating a dynamic slideshow, working on a video presentation, or simply need to adjust timing for a smoother flow, understanding how to control timing in Canva is an essential skill. Let's dive right in and explore the steps on how you can adjust and remove timing to match your creative needs. To begin, you'll want to open your Canva project. Once you have your project open, click directly on the page that you want to edit. This is an important step because it brings up the specific tools you'll need to adjust the timing settings. If you're working on a multi-page document or project, make sure you've selected the right page where you want the timing change to occur. By clicking on that particular page, a toolbar should appear with various options available for customization. Next, let's focus on the clock icon in the toolbar. This icon represents the timing settings for your page. Clicking this icon will give you access to the timing controls, allowing you to view and adjust the animation duration for that specific page. It's crucial to become familiar with this icon when working with timed elements in Canva, as it directly influences how long a particular element or page stays visible. After you've clicked on the clock icon, you'll see a slider appear on your screen. This slider is the main tool for adjusting timing. To remove timing, you'll need to adjust the slider all the way to the left. Moving the slider to the left will essentially reduce the duration to 0, effectively removing any previously set timing. This adjustment allows your page or element to display instantly, without delay. It's a simple yet effective way to control the flow and pacing of your project. Now that the timing is removed from this page, you might want to apply these adjustments to all pages within your project. To do this, look for the Apply to All Pages button, which is usually located near the timing controls. Clicking on this option will apply the same timing settings across all pages, ensuring consistency throughout your entire project. This is especially helpful when working on presentations or documents where uniformity is key. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've learned how to remove and control timing within Canva. Mastering these timing options can significantly enhance your design capabilities, providing you with greater flexibility and control in crafting engaging and polished end products. If you found this video helpful, be sure to practice these steps to improve your workflow even further. Thank you for watching and happy designing.